Maybe you can be in one of our videos. Okay. 3, 2, oh. We were both wrong. I did too. I fell. Dang. Hello? 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 Okay, sorry, my controller batteries died. What the? I'm in here. What? We're 1 HP. Okay, no, take off 1 HP. Take off 1 HP. Take off 1. How do you take it off? Okay. Ew. Yeah. If you get that lucky, then you know that you can come in our clan. Yeah, I'm Cooper from X2 Twin Still, but boing. No, you just faced. You just faced. Nick 40. Nick A31. I mean, he already has millions of subscribers. Nope. Then he has to forfeit and we win. Boom. Nah, he's probably gonna call him like Peter Bot. He could add Courage, he could add TG, he could add Cypher. I'm surprised his toilet's still going. I'm still standing, bro. Play the meta. Not for real. No, the dumpsters are on the map. He had his icon skin before anyone. Bro, don't get us canceled, okay? Yeah. No, but like, you can't say that in every one of our videos, okay? What is happening? Wait, can I see if this AR stacks? No, it doesn't. This AR doesn't, I mean, this SMG doesn't stack. Not for real, though. If you see me in a match, I'm just gonna back out, please. Please don't. Please don't. I'm guessing you're unreal, my friends. Oh wait, close to each other. Yeah. He got so much rank points that his rank restarted. No. That should happen. He's like 40 light years away from freaking Unreal. No, you don't get rank points, you get ranked people. So like you go up people until like you're number 1. That'd be sick. I mean, Epic Games, you really gotta add that, please. Oh crap, we got, no. Just, no. Still stand. I'm choking. Okay. Oh crap. Okay, got should we end it there? Peace out. Hope you had a good time. See ya.